Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn silent mode off on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. To start with, to turn off silent mode or turn silent mode off on your iPhone, you need to start with the physical button, which is the action button on the left side of your iPhone above the volume button. So if this button is tilted downward, then you should say silent mode. So to turn off the silent mode on your iPhone, all you need to do is just go ahead and tilt the button upward to enable ringer. That's one of the ways you can use to turn silent mode off on iPhone. Again, you can just go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, locate and click on Sounds and Haptics. If the ringtone and volume is reduced to the barest minimum, all you need to do is you want to go ahead and increase the ringtone and alert volume to the maximum. And then, if you use an iPhone that supports the bell icon to turn on and turn off silent mode, what you simply need to do is swipe at the control center and then locate the bell icon that supports the silent mode and then disable it. And that's it. So that's exactly how to turn silent mode off on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.